For this next video, we're going to learn how to add notes and attachments to the events that we submitted in our previous recording. Now let's say our loading begin event also has an attachment of some document that is critical to submit with this event. We would do so by navigating to Attachments and adding the actual document into this screen under the tab Attachments. To add an attachment, we would go to the button Insert and select if what we want to insert is a file, or URL, or a folder. In this case, we're going to add a file. And once we do so, TM prompts a window that will allow us to still change the type of attachment that we're adding, either a legal document, a link, or a rate table. In production, there should be other options. In this case, we're simply selecting attachment just to teach you how to add an attachment to TM. We would add the description to the attachment that we want to add. We could either link it to the actual event that we're submitting, loading begin, like for example in this case, or simply type the name of the actual document we're uploading. You would click on Next, and then click on Browse to browse the content of your computer. In this case, I'm going to add this PDF just for the sake of this video, and click on OK. Once you do that, you'll realize that the first line here will be related to the document that we have attached with its description. In this case, loading begin. You can add any description you'd like. Also, the type of visibility, if you want it to be simply internal to TM, or you want a freight forwarder to be able to view this attachment as well, you would click on external, so this can be viewed outside of the actual system. The attachment type has already been dictated at the beginning, but can still be edited later on. In this case, I'm simply leaving attachment. It'll tell you the size of the file that you're loading, and if you scroll to your right, the type of document, in this case, PDF. These files can also be added by simply dragging and dropping into this box where it says Drop Files here. So basically, we've added our first attachment to our event that we've submitted, in this case for loading begin. And now once we have added our file here, we could simply either delete it if it's the wrong file, or save if we're done with the upload of our file for this specific event.